Yes, sir.
What we'll do is we'll just keep some small portion of laser. We'll come back to it later on. We'll go for the application of laser, that is optical fiber. Optical fiber, you already know about it, that nowadays the BSNL and Jio, then Airtel, all these are offering the optical fiber to the home. Okay, that is called as FTTH, fiber to home. Okay. Now this FTTH service provides you the speed of approximately 100 Mbps, and nowadays maybe I think 2 days back BSNL offered up to 300 Mbps. Okay. So you can imagine the data, how much data coming to your home through this optical fiber. Okay. Now this is very important because whatever the data you are getting is tremendous. I mean, just like what we are talking about right now, online lectures. Now, if you are on, say, online lecture, then for online lecture, you need, if you are watching it online, then at least you should have 1 Mbps, at least. Recommended is 5 Mbps. Now, this is what the upload speed we need, 5 Mbps. So, as far as the mobile connection is concerned, sometimes you get 5 Mbps, sometimes you don't get. So, you don't have the steady connection for a mobile phone. For example, the fiber that I am using right now, it is giving around 15 Mbps from, say, first year department. But if you talk about, say, the admin and other offices, then it is approximately 100 plus. Sometimes it shows 120, 130 Mbps. Okay. So this is quite good speed for online data transfer. If you are watching the TV, okay, so if it is like, for example, IPTV, internet TV, then you need at least 25 Mbps for the, what do you call, 1080p resolution. Okay, you know, yeah, it is called as full HD. Okay, full HD. So it needs at least 25 Mbps. And therefore you should choose at least 30 Mbps plan. Okay. Or maybe you just choose BSNL, Jio, Airtel, any other rail wire, and so on and so forth. There are so many companies now coming up for the internet. So I will recommend you to get one internet connection at home if it is possible, because this will be costing not more than 600. Okay. So 500 का प्लान है तो 600 with GST हो जाएगा. Now, why I'm telling all these things? Because you should know why we are learning optical fiber. Okay? अगर आपको ये सब पता ही नहीं है तो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, जैसे एक इलिटरेट पर्सन होता है ना, उसके घर में ऑप्टिकल फाइबर लगा दिया तो क्या फायदा, राइट? तो जिसके पास कार ही नहीं है, उसके घर के सामने से हाईवे जा रहा है 4 लेन, तो इट इज ऑफ नो यूज फॉर हिम. So you should know it, you should understand it. Now, as an engineer, you will have to use all these things in future also. For example, for any kind of communication. So communication via Wi-Fi, Li-Fi, you know, Li-Fi that is coming up in future. Just like, yeah, just like Wi-Fi, we have the light instead of the radio waves or the wireless communication waves. Okay. So all these technologies are evolving continuously. And as a civil engineer, why we should learn optical fiber? Because for two reasons. One is for communication, okay? All kind of communication. And second, that you will have to think about planning. Suppose you are planning a big building, okay, say multi-story building, maybe 20 story building, okay. So you have to think about giving the this optical fiber communication line along with the electric and plumbing and all these things. Are you getting this? So that's why you should know about the optical fiber, how the light travels through the optical fiber. Now, what is the problem basically? Basically, the problem is before, say, around 1900. Okay, even some of you, sorry, not 1900, 1990. Okay, before you were born. So the communication was like through the copper cable. अगर आप पुराने मूवी देखते हैं ना तो उसमें दिया जाता है कि ट्रंक कॉल बुक करो, ट्रंक कॉल बुक करा, फिर वो 1 घंटे के बाद 1.5 घंटे के बाद फिर वो उसका कॉल आता था, फिर उस पर आप बहुत बात कर देते, एंड दैट वाज कॉस्टिंग टू मच. Then this copper cable were using the electrical signal, and obviously electrical signals will have some kind of limitation because electrical signal cannot move faster. Secondly, there was a crosstalk. You understand what is crosstalk? Suppose I want to talk to Gokul, okay, and I called him. Now somebody has interfered into that line, and for example, Ninad has entered into it. I hope you are from, yeah, you are from civil both, okay. Gokul is from civil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So Ninad has intercepted this signal. So sometimes I am hearing to Ninad, sometimes I am hearing to Gokul. Okay. So that is what it is called as crosstalk. And it was very easy to interfere or intervene or take out the signal. Okay. जिसे हम tapping कहते हैं, tapping, phone tapping. It was very easy. अगर आपने पुराने जमाने के लाइन्स देखे होंगे तो बस एक वायर डाल दो तो आपको वो सुनाई देगा कि क्या कम्युनिकेशन चल रहा है. ओके, सो इट वाज नॉट एट ऑल सिक्योर, नॉट सिक्योर. और उस जमाने में बहुत सारे ऐसी चीजें हो गई, फोन टैपिंग और ये वो. ठीक. नाउ वी हैव रिप्लेस दिस कॉपर केबल बाय ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. ओके, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. And this optical fiber use the light signal. Remember, light means it is not CW, it is signal. Okay. Now, if we are using the light signal, that means we need some source. So the source of light, what we use is laser. That's why it is connected with laser. Okay. Now, this laser will travel through optical fiber. Okay, for a distance of say few kilometers, and then at other end we have the receiver. So this is transmitter, this is receiver, and this is the system which we are using to communicate the signal. So this receiver is typically photodiode. So now the signal what you are giving here, suppose there is a person who is speaking. Okay, it's like cartoon. He is speaking, and he is speaking to mic. Okay. And this mic is the it is converting the audio signal to the electrical signal, and electrical signal are fed to laser. So this is electrical here. Then the laser will give the light. It will decode, it will code the signal into the light pulses, and these pulses will travel through the optical fiber. This is fiber network. Okay. Sometimes we write FIBRE, sometimes FIBER. It depends on which English you are using, British or American. Okay. So we'll talk about FIBRE. And then when light comes to other end, it will be detected by the photodiode. Now here we have the light, and then it is converted into electrical signal, and then it is connected to speaker. Okay. So that's how the voice comes here. Okay. So are you getting this? So this is the same system. I am using mic, I am speaking, and you are listening. Okay. There is very less delay. Of course, there is a delay, but it is very less. Initially, when there was a telephone, then the delay was so high that it was like, if I am speaking something, then it was like walkie-talkie. So people used to say, okay, I am here, I am fine here, and how about you? And then they used to wait for the signal to come from the next end. Okay, that was quite slow. But nowadays it has become very fast. Now this is one example. Okay. Now instead of the voice, we can send the data, we can send the images, we can send the movies over the optical fiber. And the worst example of this is Telegram. Telegram is using for the piracy of the movies, which is not good. Okay. But that is how you can send the data from one place to the other place. Okay. Of course, it will be useful everywhere, almost everywhere. Okay. So how that light travels through the optical fiber? Now, the first question is, what is optical fiber? What is optical fiber? So, typically, it is called as optical fiber cable, OFC. Now, this OFC is nothing but it is made up of silicon dioxide, SiO2. Have you seen silicon dioxide? देखा है कभी? हाँ, किसी ने देखा है?
नो सर.
कभी नहीं देखा?
No, sir.
नहीं? You have seen it. You don't know the general name of silicon dioxide. रेत देखिए, सिविल वालों का रेत, गिट्टी और सीमेंट, इससे बहुत अच्छा नाता है. तो रेत जो है, what it is called in English? The sand. Okay.
Sir, white sand.
Yeah, white sand. Sand basically. So sand is a impure form of SiO2. Okay. So we can derive what you call in chemistry, I don't know. You can extract or purify the sand, and you can get the SiO2 from the sand. Okay. So sand is kind of what you call ore, not ore, but that is the material from where you can get the SiO2. Okay. Now you draw a fiber of SiO2, a glass. It is basically glass. Okay. So glass का fiber जब बनाते हैं ना, तो it's very long. Okay. तो ये कैसे बनाएंगे? ग्लास का फाइबर बनाना है. ठीक है. Now if you see from this side, okay, from this side, then you will see the core like this. Okay. एक सर्कुलर देखिएगा ऐसे, और इसके साइड में एक क्लैड होता है. क्लैड का मतलब क्या हो गया? जस्ट इसके साइड में. ओके, लेट मी मेक इट मच बेटर. ओके, now I can draw up. Okay, and the second one. Okay, it is not recognizing the shape, so my circle is not so good. Okay, so are you getting this? So
yes.
we don't have only one fiber, we have two fibers, and they are coaxial. जैसे coaxial केबल होते हैं, देखिए कभी coaxial केबल. कोएक्सियल केबल देखिए, आप लोगों ने सब कुछ देखा है, लेकिन इसको ये टेक्निकली ये कहते हैं ये पता नहीं आपके घर में।
यस सर।
हाँ,
डबल लेयर होती है
यस
सर उसमें?
देखा है सर।
यस यस, डबल लेयर होती है।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो वो जो आपकी केबल जो घर पे आ रही है ना,
टीवी वाली केबल सर।
हाँ टीवी वाली केबल, पहले पुराने जमाने में स्ट्रिप टाइप आती थी, अभी जो आ रही है वो कोएक्सियल आ रही है। कोएक्सियल मतलब दोनों का एक्सिस सेम है, तो सेंटर में एक वायर, थिक वायर होता है कॉपर का, और आउटसाइड उस पे उसके ऊपर एक कवरिंग होगा प्लास्टिक का, और उसके बाहर फिर एक जाली होती है।
रबर,
हाँ,
कॉपर की जाली।
जाली होती है, राइट। सो दिस टू आर कॉल्ड एज कोएक्सियल, तो जाली और ये सेंटर वाला जो है वो, ठीक है, वन इज पॉजिटिव द अदर वन इज नेगेटिव, ठीक है। So that the inner one is called as core, the outer one is called as clad. The similar concept is used here. This the inner one is called core. Wait. Now we don't want this shape. So this is called as core, and this is called as clad. For obvious reason. अंदर का है तो इसलिए core, बाहर का है तो clad. Okay. Both are made up of silicon dioxide, but the refractive index of core, which is denoted by normally N1, and the refractive index of clad is by N2. So N1 is always greater than N2. Always. ऐसा कोई फाइबर ही नहीं जिसमें कोर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम है, ठीक है। दैट इज द बेसिक कंडीशन, बट इट शुड नॉट बी टू डिफरेंट. Like, for example, if you take the refractive index of core is 1.5, then the refractive index of clad will be somewhere around 1.48. इतना माइनर डिफरेंस रहता है, ठीक है। It depends कि this core and the clad size may vary depending upon the application. It is obvious. Okay? So, for example, in case of now there are some different modes of this communication. Okay. So this is core and this is clad. Now here the clad is quite big, core is small. There are different types of clad and core, like okay, and the other one is like this. Okay. But perfect. Thanks to this. Now this core size is less and this clad size is quite big. Okay. Whereas here the core size and clad size are almost similar. Okay. Clad is slightly more clad size than the core. Now here, if suppose this kind of pipe you have, okay. So let me show it by numbers 1 and 2. Okay. So if you have a pipe of shape 1, so what do you expect? How many people can go there through this pipe?
No one sir.
No one or only one. Okay. If it is meant for only one person, only one can go. Okay. Small kids, they can go. Okay. If you talk about number 2, then at a time 2 or 3 people can go, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes sir.
yes sir.
Okay. So that's why here there is only single entry, and therefore this kind of optical fiber, now forget about the pipe, this kind of optical fiber is called as single mode fiber, because the size of core is so small that only one mode of light can pass through it. Single mode optical fiber. We'll say what is meant by mode. Okay. Whereas this is called as multi-mode. Now, how do you understand by single mode and multi-mode? For example, आपका घर अगर किसी कॉलोनी में है, तो आपके घर के सामने का रोड कितना बड़ा होता है? एक ट्रक जा सकता है एट ए टाइम, 2 ट्रक जा सकते हैं एट ए टाइम, 4 ट्रक जा सकते हैं, कितने जा सकते हैं?
एक ट्रक।
जा सकता है, ठीक है। सिमिलरली इन सिंगल मोड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर ओनली वन मोड ऑफ लाइट कैन पास थ्रू एट ए टाइम, एक समय पे, ठीक है। इसके बाद दूसरा सिग्नल भेजेंगे तो दूसरा जा सकता है, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट एट द सेम टाइम you can send only one mode, okay, just like truck in a small gully, okay. But if it is a highway, then at a time 4 or 6 trucks can pass through it, right? So that is similar to the multi-mode. So at a time you can send number of signals through this multi-mode optical fiber. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is, if you want to put the fiber from say Nagpur to Wardha, which one you will use? Single mode or
Multi-mode, sir.
multi-mode? It is obvious because there will be n number of people communicating from Wardha to Nagpur, right? And therefore you need the multi-mode optical fiber. Okay. But if I want this communication from say just outside my house to my house, okay, जहाँ पे जो भी नोड आया है वो नोड से मुझे घर तक लाना है ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, सो विच फाइबर आई विल यूज?
सिंगल मोड।
क्लियर? ठीक है। Now that is how you use these optical fibers. Now single mode has the index. Okay, let me take this on this side. सॉरी, इसको इरेज कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत। So this is multi-mode fiber. अब आज तक आप लोगों ने जो ग्राफ देखे होंगे, ग्राफ का नॉर्मली इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सिस जो होता है वो ऐसे होता है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे ये एक्सिस ले लिया हमने, ठीक है। दिस इज इंडिपेंडेंट एक्सिस विच इज द refractive index, okay. Now the refractive index of single mode optical fiber, just a minute, so here the refractive index of the core is higher than the refractive index of clad, okay. So these are the dotted points what I am showing you. आप ग्राफिक्स में भी ये सीखेंगे, ठीक। Now if this is the refractive index axis, okay, this way, let me clean it. Okay, that means the refractive index is what do you say, is increasing, okay, or you can just see this refractive index on this axis, okay. तो कोर का जो refractive index है वो ऐसे रहेगा, the maximum at these points, the inside, okay, and then suddenly this is the clad, okay. So this axis is n, okay. The refractive index is increasing on this side, and this is the distance axis, radial distance, okay. So radially at the center and in the core, the refractive index is constant. This value is say n2 and this value is n1, okay. So ये वैल्यू हो गई हमारी, फॉर एग्जांपल what we took the example as 1.48 here. This is 0, this is 1.48, and this is 1.5. Okay, 1.5. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Let me increase the size. ठीक है?
Sir, repeat it.
Okay. So this distance what we are talking about is the radial distance. So you can take the axis on this side and this side both. Okay. ये जो एक्सिस है इस पे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जो है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आई हैव शोन इन लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव एक्चुअली, एंड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एट दिस लाइन विल बी 0. ओके, ऑब्वियसली इधर बढ़ता जाएगा. ठीक है, एक पॉइंट पे ये जो है सॉरी क्लैड, तो क्लैड का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स बाहर जो है वो एयर है इसके बाहर. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा नीचे कर लेता हूँ आपको समझ में आने. इधर. ठीक है, now out of this clad, this is clad area, this is core area, again this is clad area. So clad के बाहर यहाँ पे इधर इस साइड में दिस इज एयर. ठीक है, तो एयर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कितना होता है? व्हाट इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर व्हिच इज गिवन बाय n0? हाँ, 1. ठीक है, सो दिस इज 1 लाइन. ओके, दिस लाइन इज 1. ओके, और 1 के ऊपर फिर ये बढ़ता गया और यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट हो गया. सो दिस पॉइंट is 1.48. For example, so N2 is 1.48, which is the refractive index of clad. तो आप अगर इधर से एंट्री करते हैं तो this is air, so refractive index is 1. Then this is clad, the refractive index is 1.48. ठीक है, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, वैसे ही हमने यहाँ पे देखा, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक 1.48. और सडनली फिर ये क्लैड आ गया, सॉरी कोर आ गया, तो कोर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कितना है हमारा? 1.5. सो सडनली इट हैज स्टेपली इट हैज इंक्रीज बाय स्टेप. समझ में आ रहा है? द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हैज चेंज एब्रप्टली, सडनली. जैसे आपको ग्राउंड फ्लोर से फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाना है तो आप स्टेप्स यूज करते हैं. So steps are like this. This is kind of step. Okay. दूसरा होता है, दूसरा क्या ऑप्शन है आपके पास? ग्राउंड से फर्स्ट फ्लोर जाना है लेकिन स्टेप्स नहीं यूज करना. लिफ्ट. और तीसरा रैंप. रैंप पता है?
यस सर, ऑटोमेटिक सीढ़ी है.
नहीं, वो ऑटोमेटिक डिफरेंट है. ग्रेडिंग होता है. हाँ, कंक्रीट का, जैसे ये इस टाइप से होता है, छोटा छोटा. ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे. या दिस इज क्वाइट स्मूथ. तो आपने रेलवे स्टेशन पे देखा होगा कि 2 टाइप के आपको ये मिलते हैं, पाथ्स मिलते हैं. आइदर यू कैन यूज द स्टेप्स और यू कैन यूज द रैंप. तो रैंप पे आप अपनी कार्ट लेके जा सकते हैं, या आपके पास व्हील वाली अगर सूटकेस है तो वो लेके जा सकते हैं. So that is a smooth, whereas the step is abrupt, suddenly change होता है. ठीक है, तो सिंगल मोड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर में ये सडनली चेंज हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ये इंटरफेस में. ठीक है, सिमिलरली इन मल्टी मोड वी कैन ड्रॉ द सिमिलर पिक्चर फॉर मल्टी मोड ऑल्सो. सो हियर like this. Now here again the refractive index will remain constant, and then it will suddenly increase like this, and then it is constant in the core and like this. Okay, obviously out of this is, say this is air, this is air, this is clad, this is core, This is core, and this is again clad, and this is air. Okay. So this is radial distance. Same, just like single mode optical fiber, but here the core size is quite large. This size is quite large. Okay. There is another possibility in multimode fiber. Okay. Multimode fiber or a possibility, and I will just draw here. Okay. Actually, you need to draw it separately. Separate diagram आपको निकालना है. Now it is similar, just like air and then clad here also and here also. Okay. Sorry. यहाँ कुछ गलत हो गया. यहाँ से नहीं चाहिए. This and this. Okay. Now inside the core there will be grading. Grading क्या होता है पता है? इस टाइप से थोड़ा सा और थोड़ा बड़ा कर देते हैं इसको, इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके. सो एट द सेंटर द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज मैक्सिमम. दिस इज n1, दिस इज n2 and this is n0. Air, then clad, and then core. This is core, this is clad, this is air. ठीक है. Now the refractive index of core is not fixed. Okay. इस केस में ये फिक्स था, इस केस में फिक्स था. नंबर 2. इस केस में फिक्स नहीं है, नंबर 3 में. So depending upon these two kinds of construction, the construction of refractive index, we have the multimode fiber, but the names are different. So this is step index, just like single mode optical fiber. So this is step index multimode fiber. Okay. Whereas this is called as graded index optical fiber. क्योंकि इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स जो इंडेक्स रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स वो ग्रेडेड है. Whereas here in this case it is a step wise. यहाँ पे ग्रेडेड है. ठीक है. Slowly it is changing. Again this is multimode fiber. Remember that there are no graded index single mode fiber. Okay. So fiber में हमने देखा कि टाइप्स कौन से हैं. First is the single mode and multi mode. Single mode एक ही लाइट एट ए टाइम एक ही सिग्नल आप पास कर सकते हैं. In multi mode you can pass n number of signals at a time, okay, depending upon what kind of fiber you are using. Whereas in single mode you can pass only one, and the core size is very small in single mode as compared to the clad. Whereas in multi mode the core size is much large as compared to the I mean it is quite close to the clad. Okay. Obviously it will be less than clad, there is no problem. The second difference is you can have the step index multimode fiber. It is always step index. Okay. And in multimode fiber you have two options. Either you can have step index multimode fiber just like this steps, or you can have the graded index. Remember this grading is only in core, not for the clad. Clad will have the same refractive index, no change. Okay, are you getting this point? Any doubt?
Sir, why don't single mode have a grading, like sharp turn?
Okay, because single mode has to send only one signal. So there is no meaning of putting the grading in the single mode. Okay. Why we have the grading? We'll see maybe after maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, so that time you will understand that if we want to send only one signal, the signal will go from the center, actually here, the center. Suppose this single mode is like this. Okay. So the light will pass the light will pass like this from the center along the axis. Okay, so there is only one way of passing the light, and there is that's why there is no meaning in putting this graded index. Okay, whereas in multi-mode, what happens is this is the core and this is the clad. Okay, and then we have this long fiber like this, and this is the axis. Now we have the different possibilities. So instead of passing the light through the axial direction, you can pass it slightly like this. तो ये अंदर जाएगा, ठीक, ऐसे, फिर यहाँ से wait, I haven't shown the clad. Okay, this is a clad. तो clad से वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक, यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, फिर से यहाँ clad से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, एंड सो forth. अगर आपने ये एंगल चेंज कर दिया ना, so it can go like this. Okay, और चेंज कर दिया, so it can go like this. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? So
Yes.
in single mode, there is only one way of transferring the light, that is the axial direction. Whereas in multi-mode, obviously this is from top, you can have the bottom, this way, this way, this way, and you can have the wavelength division multiplexing and this and that and so many things, so many things. It is just like highway. हाईवे पे आप जितनी भी गाड़ियां चलाना चाहते हैं उतनी चला सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती, राइट? Some people will move faster, some will move slower, like truck will move slower, car will move faster, right? This way you can have the single mode and multi-mode fiber. Graded index is quite different, which we'll study later. थोड़ा सा पहले हमें टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन देखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हम ग्रेडेड इंडेक्स पे जाएंगे. Any doubt? No doubt? So what we have seen? We have seen the optical fiber. Optical fiber has two types depending upon the index. Sorry, mode, not index, mode. So this is single mode, this is multi-mode. Okay? And in single mode, there is only one type, that is step index. Whereas in multi-mode, we have the two. The step index, and another one is the graded index. Okay. And we have seen that the core size in single mode is very small as compared to the clad, whereas in multi-mode the core size is much large, and it is quite similar to the clad. Of course, it will be slightly less than the clad. Okay. Whatever the light you are sending here is from the laser. That's why it is connected with the laser. और एक important चीज हमने देखी कि always the refractive index of core is higher than the clad. Doesn't matter what are the kind of optical fiber you are talking. It's always like this. ठीक है? Any doubt? Any question?
सर
हाँ?
सर हम लाइट ऑप्टिकल फाइबर से भेज रहे हैं, तो लाइट की इंटेंसिटी कम नहीं होती?
होती है ऑब्वियस, इट इज ऑब्वियस. इसमें लॉसेस तो होते ही है, लेकिन वो लॉसेस कम करने के लिए हम बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का ऑप्टिकल फाइबर यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट टू सेंड द सिग्नल फ्रॉम से नागपुर टू वर्धा, देयर आर मेनी सिग्नल्स. So the whatever the quality you are using for say multimode fiber, it has to be very good. Still, even if you use very good fiber, you need to use the repeaters. Repeaters पता है? जो केबल होता है ना, केबल जो आपके घर पे आ रहा है टीवी का, even the signal strength decreases after a certain time. So you need a booster. Booster का नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir.
For example, if you have marathon of say 10 kilometer, ठीक है, 10 kilometer की मैराथन है. So what happen after every specific interval, you have these people who are providing some energy drink. So you are the same, okay? You are the same who are running here, okay? But you get this booster at every interval of time, maybe 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, whatever it may be, right? Similarly, the signal has to get the booster. So after specific interval, say for example 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer, depending upon the fiber, you have the booster. तो यहाँ पे ये booster लगाया जाता है. So that whatever the signal you have, the signal की strength यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी थी, यहाँ पे आते आते उसकी energy कम हो गई, ठीक है? So we add some booster. तो booster जैसे add करेंगे फिर से signal बढ़ता जाएगा, and then it goes to another section, and then again booster, again another section, another again booster, something like this. Got it? Any other question?
Sir, the boosters have lenses or?
So boosters are kind of optical fiber only. That is called as erbium doped fiber. Erbium is one of the material which has this property. ये कैसे करते हैं पता है? ये आपका ओरिजिनल फाइबर हो गया, ठीक है, और ये हो गया बूस्टर फाइबर, जो इसको टच कर देते हैं यहाँ पे, और ये यहाँ पे सील हो जाता है इस टाइप से, ठीक है, इस टाइप से. So this signal is passing through this optical fiber, and some energy is provided somehow, so that this gets boosted up. इसका सिग्नल स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा, और बढ़ेगा फिर ये आगे ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ का सिग्नल यहाँ पे जाएगा, ठीक है, फिर धीरे धीरे कम होता जाएगा. स्ट्रेंथ एक ही सिग्नल है, ये अलग अलग सिग्नल नहीं है, टाइम में दिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको. तो विद टाइम with distance it decreases, okay, again you have the booster here. So ये इस टाइप से, और एक erbium doped फाइबर होता है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे लेजर लगाया जाता है, ठीक है. इसकी इस लेजर की स्पेशलिटी ये होती है erbium doped लेजर की, that it increases the signal strength. Whatever is given to it, it increases the strength. That's it. तो स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती जाएगी, ठीक है. दिस क्वाइट मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, लेकिन दिस इज नाउ एस्टेब्लिश वेरी नाइसली. सो यू कैन सी द बूस्टर्स. इफ आई गेट सम इमेजेस ऑफ बूस्टर, आई विल शो यू टुमारो, आई मीन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास.
Okay.
तो ये इस टाइप के बूस्टर ना आपके घर पे भी होते हैं. कभी कभी वो केबल वाले जो होते हैं ना, बोलते हैं कि हमारा एक बूस्टर आप लगाना है, तो आप अगर ये करते हैं, बूस्टर लगाने देते हैं, तो आपको कोई डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. ऑफ कोर्स फॉर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर यू डोंट हैव दिस बूस्टर्स लाइक दिस, दे हैव सेपरेट सिस्टम. सो इट इज अबाउट 10 to 20 किलोमीटर्स. तो 10 किलोमीटर के बाद या 20 किलोमीटर के बाद एक बूस्टर लगाया जाता है, ठीक है. अब आपको एक YouTube देखना अच्छा लगता है, ये सर्च करना है आपको, ट्रांस अटलांटिक ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल, इस टाइप का कुछ आप सर्च करो, आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री मिलेगी, ठीक है. वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री आपको देखना है. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री, व्हाट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ट्रांस अटलांटिक कहाँ पे है? अटलांटिक ओशन कहाँ पे, कोई आइडिया? यू शुड नो द ज्योग्राफी। कौन से दो क्या कहते हैं उसे, खंड, दो खंडों के बीच में, आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश नेम। नहीं, आर वी कनेक्टेड?
So near the Europe,
यूरोप एंड
USA. Like
yes, yes,
Puerto Rico.
quite right, quite right. The Atlantic is in between Europe and US, America. So how do you connect America and Europe? So that was the big problem, and that was connected by the copper cable initially for telephone communication, and later on they send the optical fibers, okay, alongside with the this कॉपर केबल्स। अब तो कॉपर केबल्स कोई काम के नहीं है, अभी ऑप्टिकल फाइबर ही यूज किया जाता है। तो वो कैसे डाले गए, कितना लंबा था, कितना उसका थिकनेस है, क्या है, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली इंटरेस्टिंग। ठीक है, तो आप सर्च करो। आई एम डिलिबरेटली नॉट गिविंग द लिंक, सो आई वांट यू टू सर्च एंड वॉच द डॉक्यूमेंट्री, ओके, एंड देन we'll have some discussion on it, okay. So let me take the attendance, and by that time if you have any question, then after the attendance you can ask the question, okay. अच्छा, डी बाटू का रजिस्ट्रेशन किसी का रह गया क्या?
नो सर।
हो गया सबका?
Yes.
यस सर।
ओके,
यस सर।
किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताना मुझे, ठीक है।
नो सर।
और दूसरा ये कि आप सभी मीटिंग्स अगर इससे ऑफिशियल आईडी से अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज गुड। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अटेंड द मीटिंग यूजिंग ऑफिशियल आईडी, प्लीज कम टू कॉलेज एंड आई विल सेट योर ईमेल आईडी प्रॉपरली। देयर आर सम ग्लिचेस, so that I cannot tell you online, okay. तो किसी का प्रॉब्लम है तो आ जाना कॉलेज में, ठीक है। आज 1:30 बजे तक ही रहता है कॉलेज।